Netflix. You little gap down. And FLX. Let's see. It's a little bit close to support. Don't love it. But, you know. Gotta go for it. If it cracks, then I'll wait for the first 5 minutes. Because this could easily just snap right back in my face, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll see. Interesting. Oh, there it goes. Alright, I'll try it with smaller shares.
Yeah.
Alright.
Netflix going down.
Yeah, I just got in. Oh, nice.
Very nice. Well, Netflix is over 1,000? Holy cow.
There we go. There we go. Well, that's a nice move on Netflix. Thank you. Thank you very much. A little pre-market low break.
Yeah.
That was unexpected. I didn't think it was going to drop like that really good, because that's basically a couple R right there off the bat.
Yeah.
Just luck, basically, right there. No, you know, nothing good except luck. IBKR. Ooh, this is a big gap up. I don't know. Don't know. We'll see what it does. This could roll over.
Which one?
IBKR. It gapped up on earnings. It's a pretty big ass gap. So, I'm watching it. I don't want to be the one that chases it long.
Oh, Shopify switching up. ELB.
No, it's still going up from yesterday?
Yeah.
ELB shop. Oh, it is, baby. Oh my gosh, Shop. Shop, you are crazy. You are one crazy stock. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens here. See if Netflix can remain. IBKR still moving up. It's not crazy. Shop still. Oh, interesting. There's a lot of things gapping up. Look at this, what is it? Oh, that SPSW looks pretty good for a short. SPSW underneath all the moving averages. It's a pretty good one. I think I could go in with a smaller share since I would go in a little bit here because it broke the other previous bar, and then I was gonna add to it if it gives me a Momo trade.
Okay.
I don't know what to think about this IBKR. I would, be interested in the long idea. The gap is kind of big. So it's kind of, it's a little bit excessive. I don't want to short it just blindly. I need to see a pattern. But if it takes out today's takes out today's low, or if it keeps running with no pullback, it might be a good short later.
Potential long on Charles Schwab.
On SCHW?
Yeah.
SCHW. SCHW. All right. Oh, I see that. Yeah. Very nice. Tesla's shooting up. Is the market shooting up? Market's going sideways. Okay. I added to SBSW. Let's see if it gives me that Momo that I need.
You can add to Netflix too.
Yeah, I was thinking. We'll see if it really does want to keep going. This could be a nice drop here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, SBSW going. Need to add a little bit more to increase the risk in here. It's not good enough yet. Okay. There we go. Now the line is in the right spot. You know what? I may take a short on this SPY here. Getting underneath here. Okay. Underneath the pivot. Hasn't taken it out yet. But I might jump in.
Remember SRPT from yesterday?
SRPT, yeah, did it go crazy to the downside now?
Yeah. Well, it's trying to go back up.
Let me take a look. SRPT. Oh, yeah. I see it's trying to come back to some sort of,
Kind
place.
of wild that it's gapped up from some news and then gapped down from right over nowhere.
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Let's see here. I'm going to take. Okay, this Netflix. Netflix looking good. Just got to break underneath this pivot and head to the moon / the dirt. All right. Looks good. It's got this inside bar right now forming, but could be a drop here. I do like it all the way down to like 1,700, 1,100. I can't believe I'm even saying that number. I like it all the way down to $1,174. It's like, what the heck? How did that thing get so inflated?
Need to offer more shares, I guess.
Yeah, people just kept buying it up. You would think they'd want to, do a split or something.
Yeah.
To lower their
Morning,
costs.
guys.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
I'm watching Tom Swap
Yeah, me too.
and CRSP.
CRSP?
That's the one. Yeah. You mean SRPT? Right?
No, Charlie,
Oh.
Romeo, Sam,
That's
Charlie
Peter.
Romeo. Okay. All right. I get it.
and American Express,
American Express. You got some.
AXP.
Okay. It did. Let me take a look. AXP.
AXX.
Oh, AXXP? Because this one is AXP and it looks good.
Yeah.
American Express.
The XP.
Oh, okay, great. All right, I got the right one. Very nice. Alrighty.
And look at your Robinhood.
Yeah. It's going straight up still.
Yep.
There we go.
PTY continue from yesterday.
Yeah,
Which one?
PGY, yep.
PTY.
PGY? Okay. PGY. Why did PGY go up today? No one knows why. All right. Okay, a little top and tail action. I might short something here. I might short something. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
PGY could do a 3-ball play.
PGY, okay, let me take a look.
SRPP, level 2.
SRPT into that gap. Oh, PGY, yeah, it's working. Into the outside.
Trigger.
But it's working on the weekend. Alright, here we go. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Alright, come on. Here we go. Here comes Netflix. 3-bar play underneath.
Coin 3-ball play to the upside.
Really? Still going? Damn, okay, let me take a look. COIN, coin. Oh, you're right. It's still going up. Crazy. Crazy. Crazy for thinking. We need some tunes.
Oh,
I know. Same.
check out CLSK suiting up.
CLSK, okay.
Check this out, guys. TLN. Oh, so spready.
TLN, okay.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Yeah, it's really spreading.
Alright.
Wow, Robin Hood. What's going on?
Oh, who knows, right? Crazy town. Crazy town. Still
Yeah.
going up. I'll tell you one thing though, when it tops out, ooh, it's gonna be a nice short.
Oh my god, look at CVX.
Oh,
I know. We should have sorted it.
Yeah.
there we go. IBKR, another nice little trade right there in the books. There we go, I'm holding it. Come on, let's go, buddy. The gap is too big. There we go, a little partial right there at the moving average.
Playing Riot suiting up.
Right, it's still going up. Dang, man. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Still waiting on this Netflix for my 3-bar play. And it's just going sideways, so I got out. And now I'm just waiting on a 3-bar play and I can get back in. This body kind of looks like it might be rolling over here. It's got this, possible short underneath the opening range break / all the moving averages as well. I don't know. It's very interesting. I kind of feel like it looks like it is a little bit of a profit taking maybe Friday, but you never know. Definitely the buyers don't want to get out of this one yet. Okay.
You guys see MMM?
No, what's going on with that?
Wow. Should have sorted it. Look at MMM.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a shot. Oh, that's probably a shot gap. We're making a shot gap. Let me roll over to that one and get ready for a short on that sucker.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it started with the gap up. It's breaking underneath the pivot. It looks pretty good. I like it underneath these bottoming tails. So it's got to get underneath those bottoming tails, but it looks pretty dang good, I tell you that. Looks pretty damn good. It gets underneath those. We'll probably see. There we go. Going in, baby. Let's see if we get a more continuation on this shot gap. Want to see it continue. Come on, baby. Oh, Tesla VWAP. Hit the VWAP. Can't go a little higher. Having struggle. Oh, come on, come on. Let's see if MMM can break through. Break on through to the other side. Break on through, yeah. Oh. All right, here we go. Shop looks good.
Charles Schwab, level 1.
Charles Schwab. Okay, let me take a look at SCHW, right?
Yep.
Oh, I don't. What do you
It
see?
dropped so deeply, huh?
I don't know. I mean, this could be good. Let me see. SCHW. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I see the level 1. Kind of want it to be, above some, not a level 1 just sitting inside that range. Right now it's just, you're in a channel, so.
Yep.
But I see it. I see what you're talking about.
Oh, check out BP.
BP, okay.
EP, okay.
And Visa. Visa is.
Oh, did you guys go for MMM?
I did. I jumped in.
Oh, good job.
Yeah. I jumped in and I'm holding it because I'm thinking that this is going to probably sell off to about 152. It's nice. Looking pretty good so far.
Nice. Yeah, I'm. Oh, SBSW three ball.
SBSW.
Yeah. Charles Schwab.
There we go. Yeah, SBSW. Let's see. Do you want to? There we go. Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. I like it.
Wow.
Gotta get underneath there, but it looks good.
Dell is strong.
Dell?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nice move I'm getting on this M&M. Keep going, buddy. Moving my stop to break even now. No problem.
American Express, level 1.
Okay. All right. Market's going up again.
Oh, check out HIMS.
Okay, let's take a look at the HIMS. HIMS. Taking out, level 1. Yeah, not too bad. On the daily chart, looks good for a possible swing trade to the short side. That could be nice. That could be very nice. Very, very nice. Alright. Okay. I'm going to add to this SBSW. Hopefully we get some continuation here. HIMS looks good. If you have, I think you gotta give it a really big stop loss though, because you don't have any pattern. You just have bars down. You don't have a pivot. You don't have anything. So I'd give it to higher day. That's a good idea. This could go down, then spike back up, go against you, then come right back in, You probably want to give it to higher day. Alright, I like this Netflix. It's having trouble with the VWAP here. HIMS looks good. You can get that move on HIMS. 3-bar play to the downside. a little continuation. I like this Netflix here. It's pretty nice. I like that. Tried to touch the VWAP.
I think I'm just
Can't
gonna,
get over the VWAP.
get out this my CLCL swing.
Which one?
CLCL.
DRCL? Okay. Okay.
Oh, that CPLT could be level 1 to the upside. CPLT.
Yeah, CPRT? Okay.
Netflix could
Alright.
be the VWAP bound.
Yeah, I like that. That's what I was saying. Netflix VWAP bounce looks pretty good.
Thanks, CVX
Well,
is still
CVX, we watch for rebounds.
rebound. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, Netflix.
Wow.
That's a nice drop.
M is dropping.
Which one? Ends? Yeah. Yeah, I jumped in, so hopefully I'm now putting my stop sort of to break even now on this. Let's see if we can get this drop on Netflix here. I wanted a tighter stop loss, so I
CRSP.
Oh, yeah, AXP.
CRSP.
Yeah, you're right. XP. Oh, CRSP. Okay. Yeah. So many trades, man.
You want a long one?
I can't keep up with you guys.
Sorry, man.
No CRSP.
Oh, SBSW trigger me in.
Yeah, there we go. HIMS is working. SBSW. Working, baby. It's working. HIMS is going.
Nice.
HIMS, we got a wide range bar. Probably a good sign to take a partial right there on HIMS. Probably a pretty good sign.
SLPT level 1 could be pulled back. Yeah, I'm not so sure.
There we go. There goes Netflix.
Nice one on him.
Yeah, nice one. Yeah, there we go. Netflix is working.
Took that on 2 minutes.
I did. I needed a little bit tighter of a stop loss, and Netflix is such a big stock that it only take basically one share. So I was like, if I zoom into the 2 minute, I can take at least, I think it was 2 shares. So I just said, okay, I'll do it with at least 2 shares, take a partial there. Now I've got 1 share left with a little bit of profit.
Taking a shot on ELV.
ELV, okay. You want to see something interesting? AMD might actually be a short. I got a level 1 today. Oh no level 1 yet. But it looks interesting for a short. Let's see here. What's Tesla doing now? Tesla was going up earlier in the morning. Oh, look at guys, we're starting to get this move on MMM. It's going to be a true shock gap, I think. If it goes in true shock gap fashion, then that would be pretty amazing.
That is like, each candle is so huge compared to this normal candle.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking it just keeps going a little bit until it gets through yesterday's close, which it did. Now let's see if we can get some more follow through.
It's also kind of spready, so
Yeah, it is, yeah.
I'm gonna wait for a bit of.
That sounds smart. Alright, come on, baby.
This SLPT could be right into the 8.
Wow, your triple M is good.
Yeah, so far I'm reducing. I'm lowering my stop loss in the trade, so we just gotta keep going. Go. Okay.
CVX could be a level 1 pullback here.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, baby. Stop fooling with me.
God, should I take that Netflix?
I did, but it's up to you, man. It's up to you.
With Apple Risk.
Yeah. It's up to you.
MMM looks like reversal.
MMM looks like reversal.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. All right.
We're gonna try a pullback on this CVX, see what happens.
All right. Here comes AMD. There goes AMD. Come on, baby. There we go. I have a feeling Netflix is not going to be able to get much lower today, but we'll see. Well, you never know. Could go down to. There we go. Okay. There we go. Come on, AMD.
CVX seems to be working.
Yeah, I'm moving my stop loss on SBSW to the top of the candle of this previous candle now. Ooh, AMD, I got that level 1 right there. It's going. I'm going to add to it underneath low of the day, because that could be a level 1 trigger right there,
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on. What's Shop doing? Is Shop going back straight up?
Oh, Shop. Oh, yeah, it's going up.
Oh, okay.
But
So we can take this long.
Could be double top too.
Yeah, I'm probably going to do a wait for the bar to close kind of idea, Wait for it to close strong, then take the next bar above that. And if we get continuation, then,
Oh, wow.
Awesome.
Check out CVX.
Oh my goodness, CVX.
I wish I went even bigger.
CVX. Oh, you did that level 1 to the upside? Nice catch right there.
Yeah, nice catch. Hope we can go back to the 8, but I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. It's pretty good catch right there, for sure. For sure, man.
Oh, CRCL. I got out and now I keep going up. Dang it.
CRCL?
Yeah.
Let's see. CRCL. I remember that one is CRCL. Yeah. I see it. Come on, Ames. Come on, Netflix. There we go. Keep going. Get us to low of day at least. Break the low. And then I will, exit. Come on, baby. I went on ChatGPT yesterday, and I said, okay, give me the statistics of this. Give me the statistics of this. And I kept asking all these statistics in trading. So what is the chances of what's the common amount of bars a stock will go before having a reverse? And it spit out a whole percentage. And it was really cool.
I know, like right now, I'm not rushing anymore. I don't jump the gun anymore because I have my list entry and breakout right now.
Yeah.
Like for example, Charles Schwab would be between 92.70 and 93.20. That's what it said right now. CVX 148.
Does it give you a picture? Does it give you a picture on it or something like that?
Oh, I think you talked too. Yes.
Wow.
And
Okay.
they will give you a alert too.
Can you send what it looks like in the trade room? I'm just curious because
Yeah, and then at the end of the day, they will do recap.
What?
But you have to. I purchased the plus version right now.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. So let me ask CRSP right now. CRSP is a good trade right now. Let me ask.
Oh wow, coin is still going up. Let's see. Coin is still going up. How many bars has it gone? Let's see what it says. What does it say about coin? Does it say, should you buy it still with this many bars?
Hold on. I'm looking for CVX.
Coin's still going up.
SBSW stopped me out.
Ask if it thinks coin is a good long right now, right at this moment. I'm curious what it says. I feel like right now is a total chase, but MMM, like ask if MMM is a good short still at this moment in time. Everybody. So coin's still going. But I feel like that would be like chasing it, going long now, you know? That many bars up. Let's see. 10 o'clock. Reversal time, usually.
He said the CRSP
Yeah.
re-entry near 60 and 62 should be okay.
What does it say about going long right now on coin? Ask what it says.
On coin, okay.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Trade your stock now, okay.
Yeah, sometimes I think to myself, like, this is such a huge, like, I don't want to jump in the gun on this one, but maybe it's fine.
Let me try CRSP.
Okay.
A little bit late. But
it says a little bit late on coin, is that what is it saying?
No. Coin.
NVIDIA.
Let's see. Oh, NVIDIA looks like a short right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Look at that. NVIDIA, let's see, it says, I like the 3 bar, I like this bearishness right here. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good for a little drop on NVIDIA. Level 1, level 2 right here. Let's see if we can crack this level 2.
Oh, Netflix.
Or level 3. Yeah, see, I don't think it's smart to go in long now on coin, but I'm just curious what it says. Yeah. Does it say, yeah, this is a good idea, or does it say, no, not a good idea? Like, you're going to get dumped on.
ELV looking better. ELV.
ELV, okay. Oh, from yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Okay. Oh, Netflix. All right, here we go.
See, after
Through
this.
the low. Here we go.
Soon after this. I want to break the low into his Momo style.
Yeah. After this bar.
Put my stop at break even.
Yeah.
Wow, SBSW, letting it out. It's not really better.
They said the coin pullback entry should be 420.
Oh, okay.
422 retest.
Okay, good to know.
All breakout 436 on strong volume.
Oh. Okay. Good to know. Yeah, so they're not saying jump long. They're saying the best entry is
Go back into 420.
Yeah.
420 to 422 with volume. That's a good entry zone. I'll break out above 436 with confirmation.
Okay.
I come into CVX kind of late on that level 1. Then.
He gave me the CVS. It's like 148 to 150-ish.
Ooh.
I know.
MMM's still going, guys.
Yeah, I see that.
Let's see how much farther it can go. Alright. Got taken out of NVIDIA for break even here. I jumped into the last one, but I'm willing to jump right back in. Hopefully this Netflix isn't a new low failure. I'm willing to get right back into NVIDIA if we continue to drop again one more time. Because this will be a Momo entry underneath bar that closed strong. So I like it. Let's see here.
Damn it, CVX. Jumped in late, the FOMO, and now it's going against me.
The FOMO, man. The FOMO.
Damn FOMO.
There we go. Nice move on MMM.
Dang, man.
See? Oh, really? You're going to come right back up?
Well, he told me to watch Morale and Riot.
Oh, okay. Riot. Interesting.
Because of Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin shooting up. Which one is this? Oh. Okay. Nice. MMM's going.
Dang, I'm going.
Okay.
Oh my God. CRSP.
CRSP?
Yeah, let's do it. He said close to 62. Yeah, came down to 62.16. I missed it.
Oh.
What's the target?
Huh?
What's the target?
The volume?
No, the target.
Target, yeah.
Oh, target?
Yeah, what's the target for it?
Okay, let me check.
No, I mean, what's the target for COST? Because if you just get in without target.
Yeah, that's true. If you just jump in without a target, then you're...
Oh yeah, they give you the target.
If you jump in without a target, you are the target.
No. Yeah, they give you the target too.
Oh, nice.
And trailing stop. It's very cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know, that's better than day trading room.
Yeah, right. I know. Funny. Okay.
Yeah, they said the entry zone, 61 to 62.
Okay.
So cool. And risk ratio is limited. Usually it's all break above 66.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold only if it hold above 63.80. Otherwise, take profit.
Okay.
Price, yeah, price will fade below 63.50. Consider existing to avoid being caught in a reversal.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Okay, ask what it says. Ask what it says. Ask it if it says it's okay to short NVIDIA now.
Okay.
Like, what does it say about shorting NVIDIA?
Okay, should I short NVIDIA?
NVIDIA, yeah.
ELV, not going.
What kind of day is ELV on the daily chart? Is it inside?
No, it's outside.
Outside day? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you trying to go against? Are you going with that gap from yesterday, or?
Yeah, try to go that short, but it's not going.
Oh, well, it had a huge sell-off, so
yeah,
it kind of makes sense that it would maybe go sideways for a little bit. Let's see.
It said the letter media pulled back into 168 to 170 zone.
Well, that would be lower to short.
Yep.
So they're saying to short it when it's
in target the sales
lower?
for 115, 150.
Yeah. I'm confused. I thought like, would it be a good short now?
Maybe it's talking about. Oh, would you like me to set live alert for NVIDIA breaking below 172 or 168 on volume? Or alerting on entry short setups?
I think it looks good for a short. That's why I'm curious what it says about shorting it now, because I like it. This is a good drop right here. I think we're going to get a nice little drop here.
I know. Oh, wow. Overwhelming. See, I will get in a Charles Schwab.
Yeah.
But today I didn't because I listened to the ChatGPT.
Oh, look at NVIDIA's working for me. So we'll see.
Nice level break.
Yeah.
Market is coming down. Market is coming down.
Yep, you're right. There it goes. There goes market. Very nice. Very nice.
Look at Morale. Keep going on.
Which one?
Morale.
Yeah, there we go. I think I'm going to try to short this coin here on a 2 minute. Yeah, there we go. Here comes the 2 minute. 2 minutes going to trigger. See if we get a little drop for coin here on this 2-minute time frame. I like hood here. Lower high. Come on, coin. Let's get that 2-minute drop. There we go. Nice move on NVIDIA. Moving the stop loss down with that. Nice move so far on hood. I'm going to take a partial into. There we go. There we go. What? I did not mean to take 2 partials. That was a 1 click. How dare you?
You still have that mouse?
No, I got a new one.
Oh.
But it might be, what? Holy cow. Alright, baby. Here we go. That 2-minute level 1 on coin worked like a freaking pro. Taking partial into this drop. Alright. Okay, I took a partial right at the moving average. See if we get some follow through here. Oh my gosh, NVIDIA. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. You are making my day. Oh my gosh, you are making my day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, hood?
Hood.
Coin? Holy, holy, wow.
Nice one on coin.
Same as Morale.
Yeah? It's doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Wow. I got a nice, wow. Okay, I'm in 3 big trades right now. And they're like multiple R wins. I gotta figure out a way to trail this because the bars are a little bit big here. I don't want to give back too much. Holy cow. Okay, I made 10R today now.
Nice.
Yeah. Holy cow. Wow. Oh my gosh. The video's still going. Okay, I'm trailing this. This is huge. What the heck? Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Keep going, keep going. Holy cow, yes.
Same.
Yes.
Moving this from the top, future, FUTU.
So remember when I asked you to ask ChatGPT if NVIDIA was a good short? It didn't tell me. It didn't say yes. It said it didn't give you that answer, right? And I said, well, I think it's a good short myself.
Pay like daily. Maybe.
Oh, I get it. Yeah, that could be it. I could see that happening. Okay. NVIDIA's bouncing up, so I just got out of that.
Same with Netflix. I think I got that for like a small loss.
Yeah, it's a good idea. That bar wasn't following through that well.
Yeah.
But okay. Alright guys, well I'm gonna call it a day because I have so much stuff to do.
Okay.
And but ultimately, yeah, some really good trades. I took the M. That worked for many. That gave me a couple multiple R's. I took the coin short. That gave me multiple R's. The hood level 1 lower high. That gave me. I took the level 1 on Netflix off the 2-minute, and then I took the level 2 on NVIDIA, but the Momo style. I waited for that candle to close, and then I took the next entry, and that worked really great. And my stop was just 2 bars back, so that gave me multiple R's too. So basically, all in all, a little bit over 10R for the day. with these trades. I mean,
Good job.
yeah, I didn't have any losing trades, which is probably the reason why. Oh, and I did the hymns for a small win, but then the rest break even because TA mentioned it, and I did that 3-bar play that was kind of extended. And that's pretty much it.
And we miss IBC.
Oh, you know what? I also did IBKR as well. Let me see. I think I did a level 1 on that IBKR. Let me see. IBKR.
Yeah, IBD is pro.
Okay, I did that. Yeah, level 1 underneath the VWAP, popped down to the 20, and I got out of that too. I break even for the rest. So every single trade was pretty good. Let's see here. All right, we can close it down. I bet you anything, Ricky Gutierrez shorted Hood on the way up, and if it wasn't for this drop on Hood back down to these levels right here, he'd be in deep trouble. Oh, and I also shorted AMD. Now, yep, okay, for a small win. Okay. Okay, that's good. Close it down. Let's check working orders. I don't have any working orders.
Hey, IBC.
Oh. My God, you're supposed to have popcorn now, so I can't see it, but I asked ChatGPT to tell me what's the win rate of a 15-minute opening range break on the SPY for the past 2 years. I said, like, after the first 15-minute finishes, if you go long above the 15-minute high and you go short above the 15-minute low, and I said trail, and you trail 5-minute bar by bar, and I asked what's the win rate, and it says it was roughly 62%.
Wow.
So I thought that's very interesting that, like, and a lot of setups were roughly, like, I said VWAP too. I said, and then I started adding things. I said, okay, also add, I said, give me the win rate, because you can do this with your ChatGPT. I said, give me the win rate if you add the 20-period moving average to the chart and the VWAP. I said, if the stock is underneath the 20 and the VWAP, and then the win rate was a little bit more, and then I asked it to, I said, what's the, can you give me, I think it was, I said, also include a 2% gap. So anything 2% greater or higher, and then it gave me the win rate on that as well, and I think it was roughly like 70-something%. So I was like, oh, dang, okay, cool. So if you know that, I said, what is the chance that it doesn't take out the high of day? And it was very, very good. And then I said, what is the chance that it doesn't get back over VWAP? And that was really good too. So I was like, okay, that makes sense. I mean, look at Netflix, right? Netflix dropped this morning, tried to get back over VWAP, couldn't, failed, and then, went down. So basically, you just want to take setups that have a high win rate. All right. Everybody is working for the week, yeah. Don't. Alright. BUOTA, did you see bull?
I think they kind of planted here and there on the daily.
Yeah, it's up now.
I
It looks like
know.
a great swing trade now.
And just jump into MMM for a short, see if you can retest a low on that.
Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, it got to the 20, like I said. See that 23 moving average on the daily?
Yeah.
That was the target, so I don't know if you're going to get more follow through to the downside, but I think a retracement's okay, you know?
Yeah.
Oh. Mini quotes. Multicolors.
My assistant. My assistant said I will send the recap out between 1:15 to 1:30 p.m. after market close.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
And then the whole list, you know.
Yeah. That's so awesome. That is so awesome. Well, as long as it helps you, you know.
Huh?
As long as it helps you. I mean, I think ChatGPT could be a great scanning tool too. Like if it was able to scan.
He gave me all this before market. He said, "What time do you want to meet?" I said, 10 minutes before market, and then he got all this ready for earning. MMM, Netflix, or CVX, Charles Walk. I got all this from ChatGPT.
Wow. You know what you could do is you could refine that search and tell ChatGPT, find you anything that's gapping up or down 2% or greater, that has a volume of blank amount, that also has some sort of news or catalyst. You know what I'm saying? Like whether or not it's earnings or something, like make sure it has some sort of catalyst, and then say that you want it to be, you know, trading at the low of the range of pre-market or at the high of the range of pre-market, high or low, depending on the gap. And then it'll probably spit out like basically the best gaps to take right at the open, you know.
Forgot. For example, on CVX.
Yeah.
Before market open, because I didn't ask for shorting. I asked for pullback and getting long. But he said, I assume it's he, okay? So he said,
it's got a man voice, right?
He said, if you want the long on CVX, you wait to pull back to 148, 148 to 158. So instead of waiting for long, I should just jump into short, right?
Oh, sure. Yeah. I mean, look at coin. I screwed up. I got out just 5 minutes ago. Look at that. It's still going down.
Same with AMD, man.
Wait, remember what did it say about the best price to go long on coin? Can you look back to see what price it said?
It said like 420 something. 420 and for 422.
Oh, wow. So basically it's telling you not to go long here.
Right.
Curious if you re-asked it, you said, hey, ChatGPT, is a good time. Should I buy coin right now as a intraday 5-minute setup to go long? Would it say yes?
Should I long coin here?
As a 5-minute intraday chart or whatever. I guess it'll just, tell you.
Well, they will look, here's the light, is favorable, let's see.
That'd be
Still,
funny.
he said that the long strategy plans pull back to 420 to 422 VWAP retest.
But the VWAP is right here at 430.
I don't know what VWAP he's talking about,
Yeah.
His VWAP is different from mine.
Yeah, I guess so. We'll see if he's right or if the chart is right here. Because, my VWAP is, that's why I said, I was thinking it's a good long here off the 20-period moving average. If you look at like a smaller time frame, like a 2-minute chart, it probably triggered a level 1. No, it hasn't triggered a level 1 yet. But I guess you could go in long right around here. Maybe.
He still said preferred entry into 420 to 422 with volume.
Oh, okay. With volume. Okay. Well, here's a coin still going.
Oh.
Alright, guys.
Between my puppy with ChatGPT.
Yeah.
To ring the jingle bell to go out to party.
Yeah. That's great. Yeah, my dog does that. The Poochie bells.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but sometimes my one dog, Ruby, she would just ring it when she just wanted attention too. So she kind of learned. Yeah, she was like, oh, if I just ring it, you come to me.
Yes. So, now she rings for everything. Water, tree.
Yeah.
Look at IVZ. Go on.
I know.
Hey, buddy. Hi, sweetie. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Let's go outside. How's everybody doing?
I haven't had any trade yet.
I'm down a little bit right now.
Jason, look at coin.
Did it keep dropping?
If you enter, you may lose money now.
Yeah, he got another pop and he didn't hold.
I didn't hold, no. I was a chicken shit.
Yeah.
It's because I was trading off that 2-minute time frame. And then because I was up really good on the trade, I thought, oh god, I can't give it all back. But the thing is, if I had just done a partial where I did it, which was where I did my first partial at the 8-period moving average, if I just did my partial there and said, don't worry about the rest, just put it to break even, then yeah, I'd be probably up like 15 R units today.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
There's example of why I'm just still a shitty trader.
That's why we need help with ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if ChatGPT can program for you on Thinkorswim an automated trading bot.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. If you tell ChatGPT about your risk unit, he will give you exactly the share size.
Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
Yep.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah.
Check you asked ChatGPT about UNH.
Oh, ChatGPT said IBC. Not ideal to case here. Let it show some consolidation or healthy pullback first.
I love it. So basically, ChatGPT, it doesn't like doing breakouts.
Well, he said breakout. He loves breakout. He said like corn, if a break above 444 with a heavy volume, he says go for it, like heavy trade.
It's funny.
Okay, IVZ pulled back into 1775 or 1825 range.
Okay.
Or breakout 1955. Now it's been broken.
Oh, yeah. Let me see the text. Hold on. Oh yeah, I sent it to you, TA, yesterday from ChatGPT.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
Yeah, rough probabilities based on typical settings. Consecutive same direction bars. One bar is 50% of the time. 2 bars, 25. Once you get up to 5 bars, 6 bars or more, the chances of going more than 6 bars becomes 2%. 2%. So if you think about that, you could make a strategy where you wait for something to go 6 bars up, and then you give it a wide stop loss of like maybe 3 ATR of 3 bars, and you short. And based off of that, you have a 98% chance of winning.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? 98% chance of winning a trade just off of that statistic alone of more than 6 bars. So if you then couple that with a that's why I think counter trend trades can be so profitable, because if you then combine that idea that like if something's up, let's say 7 bars, that's going to give you a 2% chance that it goes higher, right? And so because it's 2% chance it's going to go higher, that means it's 98% chance it's going to go lower.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's 98% chance it's going to go lower, and then you add in the doji bar with the trade, like if you add in like a 5-minute doji bar or something, then you have not only you have the 98% chance it's going to go lower, but you now have a pattern that you can risk from. And sometimes that bar is super tiny to where your risk unit is massive. Like that's what I was basically doing on Coin. I watched the 2-minute, and I think it was let's see, I'm trying to count how many bars it was up on the 2-minute. Let me take a look. So on the 2-minute, it was up 1, 2, 3, 4. I was up 5 bars. So I was like, okay, this is basically giving me a 96% chance of a drop.
Mm-hmm.
So then combine that with a level 1 that triggered on the 2-minute, I was able to take a tight stop loss and have a 96% chance of a drop. Of course, I screwed it up because I got out everything at the VWAP.
Hey, before you continue, IBC might be short.
IBC?
IBC,
okay.
IB, like Victor.
Oh, B, okay. IBC.
Looks kind of strong, man.
Volume increase.
I don't see an IVC.
I, Indian, Victor, Zebra.
Zebra, oh, gosh. I got so many other things wrong on that. Oh,
Look
wow.
at corn. If you long.
Yeah, did it say to go long right here?
No, it didn't say. It tell you don't do it. Remember?
Yeah, okay, let me see. But let me see if Coin actually gave me a pattern. Coin still doesn't have a pattern. It doesn't have a 5-minute level 1 yet.
Mm-hmm.
Dang. wow, the option contracts on Coin for next week are like over $1,000, even if it's like really far out of the money.
For which one?
For Coin.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, they're so expensive. That's the annoying thing about like when something goes up crazy and the volatility is huge. They raise the cost of option contracts.
Yeah.
So it's almost best to sell like covered call on something when it's going up huge, because then you get the best option contract price, because they think that your chances of having to sell your shares are high, so they give you this really good thing. So you just wait till it's so climactic. You sell those covered calls, you get the best return. Or you sell like sell a call and buy a call. So, you know. Hi, buddy. Hi, sweetie. I love you. Aww. Yeah, he's such a good doggy. Yes. Hey, I see that. Alright, guys. Well,
Okay, you guys.
have a wonderful day.
You too.
You in a trade yet, Lynn? Or?
I haven't got into the trade, but I learned something.
Yeah.
If ChatGPT told me to wait, like CVX, instead wait for long, I should have just jumped in for short.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, you can use it like.
Everything is under the moving averages.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So if it tells you, hey, don't go in long yet, then you know, oh, maybe I should be, depending on where it's at in the chart, maybe I should be looking for short to that target where it says it's a good long.
Yep.
That's cool. Yeah, as long as you still use some sort of price action when you're trading.
Yeah. Based on our knowledge.
Yeah, exactly. If you start just taking ChatGPT's ideas, then you might, you know.
But at least I don't jump the gun like I used to, you know.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
TA, how you doing, man?
Down like less than 1 hour right now.
Okay, cool. Well, if you go to -3, just, call it a day on a Friday.
I consider call it a day at least -1.
Okay, yeah. You're a better man than me. I get emotional.
Yeah, I went in the IVZ and I just sold for 1 ball. I was like, oh sweet, I'm down only half an hour. Jump out.
Oh, okay. Let's see, what did Netflix do? Did Netflix end up continuing?
No, just going sideways now. How annoying.
Okay. I thought that might happen today, because if you look at Netflix, I have a 60-period moving average on my intraday chart, but I also have it on my daily chart, because I really do think it has some sort of, kind of interesting thing. And Netflix did get basically gapped down and went to that 60-period moving average and bounced. And so I just kind of thought, yeah, there's a chance that it's going to bounce there. I've seen so many things bounce at the 20 when they're above it, bounce at the 60 when they're above it, and bounce at the 200. So I was just like, yeah, good idea to. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah, you told me right there. All right, guys. Well.
Okay, talk to you guys on Monday.
Yeah, have a great weekend.
Have a good weekend.
You're not trading on Monday though, right, Jason?
I'll probably be on my cell phone.
No.
I can try to listen to you. I'm going to Georgia.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there with my family, and we're visiting my sister. She's gonna meet us there,
Oh, good.
and she's bringing her children, and we're renting a boat, and we're gonna go and do like a lot of like on this you know, I guess whatever it is, some place that has like fresh water. We're gonna go and do fun stuff and water skiing and
Wow.
boat activities, tubing. Have you ever done tubing? It's so much fun. Oh, it's so much fun. You connect a rope on a tube, and it connects to the back of the boat, and you go as fast as you can on the boat, and you go around and spin around, and the tube just skids on top of the water.
Wow.
Yeah, so when you fall off, you fall into the water. But
Fun.
it's so much fun. Yeah, so we're gonna do all that stuff, and her boys are like, basically at that age now that they love doing all these adventure things. And then she's got a little girl now, and she's 1 year old. She's so adorable.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, her kids are so cute. They're so good. They're such nice kids too. She's just raised them in such a way that they got great manners, and they're not like, they're nice to others.
Not like rotten kids, what?
Yeah, she really, whatever she did, she made them, really good, and which is great because, she could have easily turned them into spoiled kids. I mean,
Wow.
her husband is really wealthy, so, and they have really nice place in Florida, and I mean, his boat, he was going to bring his boat up there, and he was contemplating bringing his own boat, which is a $500,000 boat. I'm like, what the heck? Yeah, I'm like, well, thank you. Why don't you give me your money? I don't know how these guys end up having so much money. But yeah, he's got a production company.
What does he do?
I think he does something with having to do with like towels or something. Like something that you would be like, how the heck do you make that much money? But I guess you can,
Oh my god, freaking Netflix.
What happened? It dropped again?
Oh my god, it's had a big drop.
Oh, fuck. Not in it anymore, damn it.
Should I mow more into it?
Let me tell you, before you do that, let me tell you if this is ideal.
It's very clear, it's a put.
No. That's a level 1, man. That's a level 1. So if you jump into this wait for this candle to close.
Yeah.
Momo is meant for new highs and new lows. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
I think if you try to Momo something that's in a range,
Yeah.
you might find that you don't get as much follow
No,
through.
you're right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm always reserving it just for, like, hey, this stock made a new high, new 5-minute high, out of a breakout, and I'm scared to take the breakout. So what I do is I basically just wait for the stock to produce that follow through. Like, let's take a look at Shop from earlier, because I was thinking Shop could get a Momo if it broke out over the top and closed. So let's see. Shop, nope. See that? So Shop broke out of the top, right? See, I broke out the 5-minute high over the high.
Yep.
And it closed strong, right?
Yeah.
So that's great. But then you take the next entry above that. Did it ever trigger? No. And it basically keeps you out of what I noticed it does, because I've analyzed like hundreds of stocks. It keeps you out of new high failures, basically, or new low failures, because most of us, we take these breakouts or level 2s, and they end up being failed moves. They don't go anywhere. So I was so sick of it that I said, what's the way that seems to have the highest odds? And I looked at it and I said, oh, when a stock closes strong over that level, the next bar that goes higher usually works. Like take a look at here's a real very simple. Take a look at coin in the morning. You see that 3-bar play in the morning?
Yep.
Let's say you didn't want to take that break of the 3-bar play, but you said, I want to wait for this bar to close strong. Did it close strong over the red bar? Yeah. So the close was higher than the previous red bar, so now you've got your entry above that bar, and it worked. Momo worked. Oh, level 1, by the way, is triggering on coin right now. Oh gosh, it's going good. But yeah, you don't want to take a Momo on coin as a pullback. So like, let's say coin triggered, right here, and then the next bar goes higher, and then you're like, okay, now I'll get in. That's too late, because that's a pullback. That's a different style of trade.
Yeah.
You still got all this. I guess the word. That's why I think Momo is a good word to use it, because it's meant for momentum.
Yeah.
Whereas pullbacks are sort of inherently more choppy.
Yeah, I think shop rate. Let me see. Shop.
Shop might actually,
Yeah, shop has a Momo setup right here, actually.
Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, so you could go short on this with your stop above that wide range red bar, and that would be a level 2 that triggered.
Yeah.
Only thing is,
Pre-market.
take a look at the pre-market.
Yeah. It's also pre-market is right there.
Yeah, but it's not bad. It's probably gonna work, especially since it already trapped all the buyers earlier.
It could work.
Yeah, you hungry, bud?
Not the best, but it could work.
Yeah, not the best. Oh, what's going on? Is the squirrel out? It'll probably work. I mean, you pinned it right. That is exactly what it looks like.
Yeah.
Do you want me to put out the peanuts for the squirrel? Okay, let's put some peanuts out. Now come by. But yeah, I'm done trading. I think these are the, being up over 10R. If I'm up over 10R on a Friday, I almost don't want to jinx myself.
Yeah.
Because once I start losing 1R, then I feel like I have to get that back to be at my 10R trade, and then I lose another R doing something stupid, and then, I listened to a video from a trader that's been a long-time trader that also deals with psychology.
Mm-hmm.
He said people don't think about this, but the longer you spend looking at a chart during the day, your brain starts, you have mental capital too. It's not just, R unit capital and stuff like that. You have mental capital. Dion, stay, buddy. So you want to preserve your mental capital, and if, if you're, let's say, staring at a chart for like 2 hours at these different charts, you start seeing things that aren't there. Like, oh, is this a level 1? And it's like, yeah, it is, but is it ideal? Probably not. Hi, buddy. Hi, what you doing? You're a big squirrel. You're a big boy. Oh. All right, there we go.
Looks like market reversal, huh?
What's that?
Market reversal.
Oh, market did a reversal?
Mm-hmm. Right.
No.
Hi, sweetie.
Not yet. Not confirmed
Hi.
yet.
Oh, okay.
Hi, baby. Come here.
Okay, guys. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna get food.
Yeah, go have fun.
Okay. Talk to you again Monday.
Okay, talk to you guys Monday.
Alright.
All right, bye. Bye, TA. Have a good trading day.
Yeah, I'm down in like a quarter now, so.
Okay, cool.
Just kind of like scalping my way back.
Nice. Yeah, you could definitely make that back on a scalp for sure.
Yeah, just waiting for something.
Speaking of which, so that chart that I sent you from ChatGPT saying the amount of bars, that consecutive bars and the odds, right?
Yeah.
Don't just think about that in terms of reversals. Think about that in terms of follow through on a trade that you're in.
Right.
So if you get a 3-bar move, 3 bars that like you get into a trade and it goes 3 bars.
Yeah.
The chances of it going 4 bars, another bar without giving you let's say you're long on a trade and you're in at 4 bar, you got in. The first bar is green and it triggers you in, then you get another bar, right? So that's 2 bars. Then you're in a third bar, and you're at, let's say, close to a pivot, right? Let's say it was like a level 1 off of VWAP.
Yeah.
And you're close to that pivot. It says the chance of 3 bars having another bar is only 15%. So why do you want to hold on to all your shares for a 15% chance that you get a 4th bar?
Oh, dang.
You see what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
if you are, that's why I always take partials after 3 bars.
Yeah.
Because I think to myself, I didn't even know this statistic, but now that I'm looking at the statistic, it's even more meaningful to me now. It's basically telling me, like, I'm basically, it's not, talk about a bad trade, right? What about a bad management?
Yeah.
Like is risking risking a lot of my profits for a 15% chance that I get a 4th bar is it's pretty silly. If you think about it, I should probably take a partial on 3 bars, because that way I take that 15% chance.
That IVZ level 1, I wish I took it, but I didn't. Nice pullback.
Oh yeah,
IVZ.
IVZ. Holy cow! Yeah, that level 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And so another thing is, I asked ChatGPT. I didn't send you this, but I asked ChatGPT that same exact question. But I said, can you get more specific? How about 15-minute time frame? Like, what are the chances of, 5 bars on a 15-minute time frame versus 5 bars on a 5-minute time frame? And it was less. So if you think about that, if you're looking at, let's say you're looking at shorting IVZ, how many 15-minute bars has it done up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So the chances of a 15-minute bar is only 2%, 2 to 4%. So you might as well take a short on it off of a 5-minute level 1 here.
Yeah.
Because your odds are so good. That's why I think a lot of professional traders like climactics. They tend to like climactics because you get the tightest risk to reward. And keep in mind, professional traders understand, not novice traders, but real professional traders. They understand what R units are.
Yeah. So
if everything has an R unit, the greatest risk to reward are things that are level 1s, either as a pullback with the trend, right? Like a pullback to the VWAP or a pullback to the 20-period moving average with the trend off of several bars, consecutive bars that have already moved.
Yeah.
Now they're saying, oh, wow, so I'm with the trend, I'm with the VWAP, I've got,
CVF is dropping too.
Wow, like IVZ, yeah.
CVF, I got both the long and the short, but I couldn't hold on to them.
Wow. There's coin. That was a very high odds trade. Wow.
And the IVZ, jeez. Really nice. Oh, I can Momo this CVX.
Let me take a look. I'll tell you if it's a Momo. You said CVX?
Yeah.
Is this counter trend or is this with the trend? Oh, okay. Okay, great. So yes, it broke underneath the low. Let's wait for this bar to close.
Yeah.
See if we want to go in the next bar.
Definitely could.
Yeah, look, he's right here.
If it's strong, I think Momo could get me back to breaking, if not some
yeah.
Game.
So you got the Momo. I think it looks pretty good. You originally took that level 1 on CVX
I know.
to the upside.
I didn't.
And that was pretty good too, because
one-
look at how many consecutive red bars there were before it happened,
Yeah.
including pre-market. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy cow. If I had seen that when you said that you were going to do it, I probably definitely would have done it with you, because that's 8 consecutive bars. That means the odds of a 9 consecutive bars are so low. And after a doji bar, that bottoming doji bar, oh my gosh. And target back up to like the VWAP or the 20-period moving average or the 200 are very high odds. Hi, buddy. Hey, sweetie. It's okay. Aww. Sweetie. Hi. Hi. Hey, baby. Yeah, be chill, be relaxed, be gentle, buddy. Just getting its food. I put peanuts on my windowsill.
Yeah.
So the squirrels come to eat him, and it gives my dog sort of like his TV. You know, he'll like stand there and watch the squirrels, and he like really loves it. And he can get about like 1 inch away from the squirrel without
disrupting the spots.
Yeah, because he can stare at the squirrel through the window and be like his nose right there, you know, and he's just watching it. And he's learned to be very very soft with his moves, so that way he doesn't, you know, get the squirrel to run. Okay, so here's the Momo.
One thing about, it's tricky. And one thing about this CVX is that on a daily, it's hitting like 200.
Oh, so that's not good.
Yeah, this Momo might not work.
Really? On the daily? Because I'm looking at the daily. I've got the 200 down at 147. And I got the 20-period moving average at 148.
CVX?
Yeah.
200 is 150 for me.
Oh, weird. Yeah, it doesn't have that for me. Oh, another thing is, okay, so this is what you want to do with the Momo too, what I've learned. So you're giving it the full stop, right? From 150, 155, right?
Yeah.
All the way up at all the way up at the top of that previous bar's high. So so there it goes, right?
I'm gonna take a partial just so I can lock in.
Yeah, or what you can do, what I've learned to do, is when you start getting momentum in your favor.
Yeah, add to it?
No.
Oh.
I make my stop loss that was originally up at the top of that 151.56.
Yeah.
I bring that down now to the top of the current bar.
Yeah. Okay.
So now, if this bar that's red turns into a green bar,
yeah,
I will have a break-even trade.
Okay. I guess the main thing is like, I'm up in the green now. I wanna lock them in.
Yeah. Well, that's good too. Yeah. I mean, you could treat it like a scalp too.
You know, I'm just gonna set it to my break even for the rest.
I mean, yeah. I never thought about this, but actually, what you could do, now that I think about it, is once you get the trade, the Momo is working in your favor.
Yeah.
You could take a partial if it's extended on a 2-minute chart, and then set the rest to break even.
Yeah. It's
so that's not too bad.
Pulling back to my break even price right here.
Yeah.
Hopefully not. Because, like that's the name strategy is momentum, so still be pushing through, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I like to once I start seeing that it's not going, I bring my stop to break even, because then if this becomes a level 1 to the upside, right?
Yeah.
The next bar becomes a level 1 to the upside. I'm not in the trade anymore because it was never meant to be a Momo trade. Momentum. It was,
Yeah.
So now, yeah, my stop is basically over that current previous candle's high, and now just holding it and seeing if you get carried momentum. And if you don't get carried momentum and it doesn't keep going, then yeah, no harm, no foul. But that's a perfect example of it that you mentioned. That is exactly a perfect example.
Yeah.
That's a way to get into trades too in the morning. When you get like a big breakout bar over some consolidation of the pre-market,
Yeah.
and it's making a new high, use that bar. You can just jump into the next bar and use that full big bar as a pre-market, as like the Momo trade, because it's working. Let's see. Let's see if I think it was Hood may have done that. Let me take a look. Hood. Hopefully, wow. Hood dropped from 113 to 109 now.
I know. I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
That level 1 looks nice.
Yeah. Well, now we know where the bias should be. Let's see if.
Unfortunately, the 60 is like approaching.
Yep. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, you're right. You want it to be. If you want a true good short, you would like the stock to be underneath all those moving averages.
Yeah. Well, I mean, right now I'm break even for the day, so I'm kind of happy with that. I mean, just call it a day.
Oh, okay.
My worst trade today was on ELV.
Which one?
ELV.
ELV. Let me see.
Yeah, it just kind of like keep working and.
Oh, that's the one from yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So it dropped again.
Yeah, I guess my stop is too tight on ELV or something. So it just keep taking me out for a small loss and.
Let's see. Yeah. ELV. That would have been okay, Momo. And then it failed.
Yeah.
But then the pullback, yeah. Had a 5-minute opening. It had a 15-minute opening range break that worked for a little bit. Then it came back up. Now it's just dancing around the VWAP.
Yeah, I think it just it's down so fast that maybe it's gonna.
Yeah.
Some people.
Just go sideways all day. Yeah.
Yeah. Now PGY right now has a level 2. A really nice level 2. I think that would be a good shot.
PGY?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm watching this exercise video right now.
PGY is a really nice pattern right here.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, let's take a look. PGY. Oh, damn, you're right. So if this bar closes strong, you can Momo in that one. You could get in already too. I'm into the idea of you get in small, like half risk, like what you're doing, then Momo the full risk on the next bar. That way, when you add to your Momo, when you add to the trade on the Momo thing, and if it fails, you only lose that half of that risk, while the other part is still profitable. Or if it starts being weird, you can get out break even on the other portion. Meanwhile, you're profitable on the first portion. Oh, I had this great analogy yesterday while talking to Deanna about trading.
Yeah.
And I need to put this on like a thing to remind myself in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, so not
every single level 1 or every single level 2 or 3 or whatever are meant to be traded. And the way I look at it is like, it's like if you're playing a game of poker, not every single hand that you are dealt on the thing has good cards in the hand, right? And so like, not, let's say you get dealt a bunch of low cards. You're like, oh man, okay, this isn't very good setup here. Or, I shouldn't put money into this trade. Basically the way I look at it is every level 1, every single level 2, and every single level 3 are basically like giving you cards. They're like putting cards in your hand. And you have to decide if that level 1, 2, or 3 are worth playing in relationship to the rest of the cards on the table. And if you look at it and you say, you know what, this level 2 is so far away from the 20, or this level 2 is, a counter trend, level 1 is a counter trend trade, but it's not climactic. Like stuff like that. If you start start taking the patterns and grading them, not, because keep in mind, just a pattern itself is already revolutionary in trading compared to 90% of the traders, right? But then you start taking the patterns and grading them in relationship to where they are on the chart. Now that's your secret sauce. I don't want to say that because you already have secret sauce, but that is your, once you start taking the patterns and putting them in relationship to where they are.
No, mine is not secret, mine is special.
A special sauce, yeah. But once you start taking those level 1s and level 2s and saying, where is it located? Oh, it's located at the VWAP. Oh, it's located there. Oh, it's not located there. Now you can grade them and say to yourself, is it worth putting my money into the trade on this level 1, 2, or 3? Yes or no? Like, what kind of hand do I have dealt with? And I think that's the main difference between, like, the beginner doesn't even know anything, right? Then the intermediate person is now looking at patterns and saying, oh, I love this pattern, I love this pattern, I love this. But the pro is the one that says, I like this pattern, but I don't like this pattern because it's not in the right spot. It's not in the right place. The daily chart looks like crap. Things like that will take someone from being an intermediate to an advanced. And I think that's where we're at in our trading. And that's what we need to do. Like today when Lynn mentioned the level 1 on, what was it? It was level 1 on, SPHW.
Yeah.
To the upside. I said to her, this is not good. This is just, this is where she pull up your chart on level on SPHW and look at 950, the 950 bar.
Oh, yeah.
She wanted to do that level 1. I see that that's a level 1. There is no doubt in my mind that that's a level 1. I totally get it. Lynn is correct about the pattern. But is that level 1 in a good spot in relationship to the previous candles?
It's not breaking out the range yet,
Right? Exactly. It's not good. It's not a good level 1 because it's inside. Whereas look at the level 1 that just occurred now.
Yeah.
On SCHW. See that level 1 that just occurred now?
Mm-hmm.
That's better.
Yeah.
Because at least you're out of the range.
Yep.
You're out of that chop zone from earlier.
That's performing level 2 to the downside also.
It's forming a level 2, and it came back and tested the mirror zone.
Yeah.
And the 8-period moving average, and the 60-period moving average, and the 20s above it, and the VWAP. So when I look at that, I say, okay, they're both level 1s, but which one is a high hand that I want to play and put my money in, and which one is a low hand? And the low hand was the one that Lynn pointed out, and that's where I'm trying to avoid doing anything that is a low hand level 1. So if we keep that in mind when we're trading, I think you will have a higher win rate.
Yeah.
by not just taking everything that you see that is in a chop, you know, and or crappy or shallow or
look at that PGY.
Let's see what happened in PGY.
Did special sauce back up?
Yeah, and it never followed through on the next bar.
Yeah, if we put in the order below the candle, then I guess it would not trigger.
It would not fill us. Yeah, so the Momo never got triggered.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you, it's been saving me so much. Look at all the Momos on PGY to the upside.
Oh, here's another Momo. SHEW. SHEL.
SHEL. Shell. Oh. SHEL. Oh, dang! Yeah, so this is a wide range igniting bar. Really nice. You can short it underneath that bar if it triggers.
Yeah, let's see.
But you see that 200 free moving average right there, right?
That's probably my target.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, the 200 is right there for me, right there.
No, it's now at 70-60.
Oh, mine is at 70-71.
You don't have the pre-market on your phone, right?
I have pre-market on, yeah. I'll send you a picture. This is the 200 right here.
Mine shows some room.
Oh. Here's mine.
But you know what? Mine is better. Okay? Mine is better.
Wait, I want to see what yours looks like. So if you see that white line, that's the 200.
Yeah, mine is still down there.
Really? Can you send me a picture? I'm curious why your 200 is far away from price?
Yeah, is that?
That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Yours is that green line?
Yeah.
What the heck? That's so weird. Hold on, let me take a look at my chart one more time. So this is Shell. Let's see if all the other averages are lined up. That's a 5-minute chart too, right? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah, so I'm looking at all your moving averages. You got all the moving averages above the price. The VWAP's above. The 60 is above. What's the black line on your chart?
That's the 60.
Oh, I see the 60.
Well, it's
cool. Weird. Yeah, my 60 is different than yours too. What the heck? Weird. Okay, I don't know.
I think they know that we in cahoots with each other, so they're like, let's drop.
Yeah, trying to confuse us. That's weird. Well, let's see which one actually stops the price. Because to me, I'm looking at the 200. I'm like, oh yeah, that made sense that it stopped right around there. I mean, like that's where the 200 is. And then I'm like, I wonder if I go on Thinkorswim if I'll see that same exact thing. I'll look at it later. I'm gonna go on Thinkorswim and see if those lines match up. Are you using exponential?
No, simple.
Okay. Yeah, mine is simple too.
It's not going. Trigger rate not really going. It could just be at the round number. get out right here because the candle finished and it's not moving. And if it's break below that candle, then maybe it has a little bit more to go.
See what happened to it.
Yeah.
On trigger. Man. Look what. See, Netflix. Spike right back up.
Yeah.
Those prior pivots, man. You gotta respect those pivots.
Yeah.
Once you get all that stuff all in your almost like in your just the way you think about trades, you know, you'll be killing it.
Well,
that's really all it is.
I guess that's one is not gonna trigger. SEL.
Yeah.
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 When momentum to be strong, not making a small candle.
Oh, wow. Wow, look what happened to AMC just now.
AMC. Oh, wow, okay. Look at that daily.
That's a pretty crazy move.
Yeah. Oh, American Express reacted VWAP.
Oh, nice. I'm so tempted to take some of my shares off on AMC here on this big push, but screw it, I'm just gonna hold on.
Over the weekend?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at AMC and thinking long term. You know, I think it can get up to. Let's see here. Oh gosh. Maybe it could get up to $4.80. Ultimately, I'd love to see AMC up at, let's see, if I go to a weekly chart, maybe I can get a little bit better.
Oh,
long term.
Triple M is going down still, but right into the 20 of the daily, so.
Oh.
Probably can be choppy again.
Yeah, the monthly chart, the weekly chart on AMC now is above the 8 and the 20. So it's looking pretty good for a long-term move.
Cool.
The monthly chart, there's nothing there. I can't really use it for anything, but it's creating a new. Oh, the monthly chart actually it hasn't triggered yet, but it looks like it might trigger a level 1 on the monthly. And if that's the case, I could see this thing going up to $12. Wow. We'll see what happens. I mean, on the daily it looks extended, but not really. I mean, it's only just 2 bars up. So hopefully it gets more. Also, it's breaking over that 200 period moving average, so it could keep going. That'd be awesome.
Here goes Shell fell.
What's up?
SEL.
Yeah. Maybe my 200 was the correct one.
Maybe.
Yeah, it bounced right off the 200. That's why I never would do that Momo. So that's weird. I need to see if this chart is exactly what I see on my Thinkorswim. Because if it's different on my Thinkorswim, that'll piss me off. Because this chart is working on Webull so well.
That is Webull?
Yeah. That's Webull. Yeah, let me see if I go to Thinkorswim and I go to Shell on my phone. Let's see if that is weird. Shell. Shell. SHEL. There we go. You know what? Let me go 5 minutes. Oh, that's so weird. It's incorrect too on the phone app. Let's try moving average. Let's see what this one is.
Oh wow, Shell. The level 1 works pretty good.
Yeah.